Hello friends of Lake Junaluska. I'm Ken Howe and I have the privilege of serving as the Executive Director of Lake Junaluska. We deeply appreciate the prayers and support that you've provided us over the last several weeks after Hurricane Helene swept through this area, causing so much destruction and disaster. We have had a lot of people asking questions. How is Lake Junaluska? How is the dam? How are the places at Lake Junaluska that you love and enjoy? And we want to share with you today a few updates on some of the things that are taking place here and kind of what's happened the last few weeks at Lake Junaluska, and also a glimpse of what we're looking at in the future. Before the storm came, we actually offered our facilities to Haywood County, and they established their incident command center here on the grounds in the newly renovated York Dining Commons. People came actually before the storm. Both federal and state and local emergency workers came from all over and were established in the York Dining Commons as the storm hit. The first day of the storm, they actually went out on 65 different rescue missions. Soon after the storm hit, we expanded the numbers of rescue workers here. We opened up all of our facilities to the rescue and recovery workers. And before long, we were housing over 400 people that bravely traveled into this area to help with both the rescues that were needed, but also the recovery that was needed. Our staff, many of them moved onto the grounds and actually lived here 24/7 to make sure that we could service all of these brave people that had come here to work. Our community also stepped forward, offering support and making sure that these brave workers had a sanctuary that they could come to every night as they went back out every day and did this difficult work that they had to do. The last week or so, we've started to see more recovery groups coming in, mission groups coming in and utilizing the facilities. We've also been thankful that we've been able to start opening up our facilities to some of our normal groups and leisure guests as well. That'll begin to expand as we move further and further away from the storm. We were truly blessed that our lodging facilities and our food service facilities were not damaged in the storm. But unfortunately, we were not immune from damage altogether. The lake actually rose over 5 feet above its normal level. It overtopped the dam, something that had not been seen in most people's lifetimes. We had some erosion around the dam, but we had no structural issues. The dam held strong, and our prayers that it would hold strong were definitely answered. Here in the Harrell Center, you can see behind me some of the destruction that took place. The whole downstairs of the Harrell Center, one of our most popular buildings, was flooded with over a foot of water. We also had damage in Stuart Auditorium. Our beloved auditorium underneath the stage was flooded. Water actually came all the way out into the auditorium. The bathrooms were flooded as well. Cleanup work there is currently underway. The Rose Walk, one of our most iconic locations at Lake Junaluska, experienced 3 different significant landslides. And we have some difficult engineering work ahead of us to figure out how to stabilize that area and make sure that it'll be safe in the future and that it'll be able to handle future storms as well. We've had an amazing, but not surprising, outpouring of support for Lake Junaluska. Literally hundreds of people have sent unsolicited gifts because they knew that we would need them in such a time as this. We're coming to you today to ask for you to consider also making a gift, and we're excited to share with you that one of our donors has actually stepped forward with a $100,000 matching gift. Every gift coming in towards hurricane relief will go directly to support the good work that's going on here at Lake Junaluska, and it'll be matched dollar for dollar up to $100,000. You can give on our website by going to lakejunaluska.com/give, or on our website you can get our address and you can mail a check in to help us with our recovery here. Altogether, the damage here at Lake Junaluska totals over $1 million. But we're working diligently right now with your gifts to rebuild and be ready and to welcome you back here on these sacred grounds in the near future. Thank you, and God bless you.